Hi guys, how are you? අද මම ගෙනාවේ uni vlog එකක්. So, I'm going to show you guys how I spend my days at uni. I have classes 3 days a week and all of them start at 8:30 in the morning. So I wake up at 6 a.m. every day and take a shower, and then from 6:30 to 7 I get dressed and do my makeup. I make sure to be done at like 7 because I have to leave home by 7:15 because it usually takes about an hour along with the morning traffic for me to get to uni. I always try to match my whole outfit and earrings and makeup because I just think it's so fun and cute to do that. And I also try to do cute hairstyles whenever I can, but I'm not really good at hairstyles that much, so I'm just putting on 2 ponytails today. Also guys, this is not just one day of uni because I don't have lab every day. I only have 1 lab class this semester, so I thought of showing you guys a few days in order to make it more interesting. And here's the whole outfit and makeup and everything, and it was 7:11 by the time I finished because I was taking the video too, so I got kind of late. Here's what I take in my bag: a notebook of course to take notes, my pencil case, my calculator. We don't really use this much, to be honest. My iPad, and my purse, of course. A scrunchie because I usually remove my hair after I'm done with class, and my lipstick, and finally my water bottle. And here I'm just adding this cute key tag that I got from Daraz. And here I am all ready to go. Also, this was not a lab day, so I was able to wear my slides, but on days with lab we need to wear fully enclosed shoes because we work with a lot of chemicals that can be harmful, so we need to make sure that we are fully covered and protected. This is me in the Uber on the way to uni, and I usually just listen to music throughout the whole ride. It was very rainy these past few days and it was kind of comfy, but it honestly made me so sleepy to go to uni. And I'm at uni right now, just waiting to cross the road. This is Edith Kavan University in Rajagiriya, and this is what the 5th floor class floor looks like. This is the lobby area, and this is the corridor that has all the classes. In case you didn't already know, I am doing a bachelor's in biomedical science, so we have both lectures and lab as well. So on this day, the first lecture that I had was medical genetics, and we just did a bunch of case studies and learned about karyotyping today. Then after the lecture for the tutorial session, we did a small question paper about pedigrees, and it was Harry Potter themed, and since it was close to Christmas, our lecturer put on like this Harry Potter Christmas video and switched off the lights and everything, and it was so comfy. After that, we headed to the 4th floor library, which has the multimedia room, because today we had a guest lecture. The guest lecturer was a professor from the Chulabhorn Research Institute in Thailand, whom our lecturer actually studied and learned under. and she gave us a lecture about some genetic studies and experiments that were going on in Thailand. It was honestly pretty complicated for us undergraduates to understand, but we were still able to get an idea of what sort of studies were going on in other parts of the world. Now it's on to day 2, and this was actually a lab day, so I'm going to wear shoes today, and this is the whole outfit, and I'm taking a big bag with me today because I have to put my lab coat in and everything. Here's me and my friend Dinuli after the morning lecture, and she's explaining an assignment to me because I could not understand what we had to do. So we actually have an almost 2-hour break after our lectures before our lab. So we usually just go and eat something and just chill during that time. This is our cafe that we have at uni, and they didn't actually have a lot of stuff on this day. So we decided to just make a quick trip to Kiels, which is right in front of our uni, and get something to eat from there instead. Here my friends were trying to decide what ice cream to buy, but in the end ended up not getting anything. And now we're back at uni with some even more time to spare before the lab. This is the lab floor, you guys. This is like the lobby area where we can sit and study and stuff. And there are 2 labs on this floor actually. That door right there is one of the labs, and we had some time, so we decided to watch a movie. That was my friend Catherine, and we have been friends since day 1 of uni, and she has been with me through every single unit and all the assignments. So yes, shout out to Catherine. And now we are getting ready for lab and putting on our lab coats and just yapping. And unfortunately, my other friends don't do this unit, so I'm not able to introduce you guys to them. But my friends are like the sweetest girls I know. They're honestly the best, and I love them. Oh, and here's the locker area where we keep all our bags and belongings before going into the lab. And notice that we have to tie up our hair before going into the lab. So in this lab, we were going to observe our immune cells under the microscope using our blood samples, and this is the blood sample of one of my friends. We also used the same samples for the blood grouping experiment, where we found out the blood group of the sample. So we centrifuged the sample and then discarded the plasma layer, and then we pipette a drop of the red blood cell layer onto a microscopic glass slide. Then we spread out that drop of blood along the slide. We kind of messed it up a little because we were worried that it might damage the blood cells. Then we have to stain the sample in order for it to be properly visible under the microscope. And I'm so sorry guys, I couldn't take in videos of us observing the microscope because we were running out of time and we were too focused on the experiment, so I completely forgot. This is a clip from the blood grouping experiment, and I don't have the results to show you guys for this as well, but I will bring more lab videos and uni videos for you later, so stay tuned you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a nice day.